Difference between fixed and floating exchange rate. One thing to note here is that what we have seen till now is also called floating exchange rate system. Why? Because till now exchange rate determination was completely driven through demand and supply dynamics of market. That is, float in demand and supply of currency. But in real world, various government agencies come and participate in this market in order to keep their exchange rate fixed and to avoid free float of exchange rate of their currency. Let me give you an example to explain this. Under fixed exchange rate regime, the value of a particular currency is attached to the value of another currency. It is fixed. It is known as a reference value. Let's continue with our assumptions discussed earlier. The X island currency is pound. The Y island currency is dollar. Y-axis represent price of pound in terms of dollars. X-axis represent quantity of pounds in foreign exchange market. R1 represent equilibrium price of pound in terms of dollars. Q1 represent equilibrium quantity of pound in foreign exchange market. Now suppose R1 is a predetermined exchange rate which is fixed by X Island's central bank. That is, it is the responsibility of X Island central bank to avoid appreciation and depreciation of pound value in terms of dollars. Suppose because of some reasons there is a sudden surge in demand of pound resulting in rightward shift of demand curve from D1 to D2 and appreciation of pound from R1 to R2. Now here, Central Bank of X Island will pitch in and supply pound to pacify the sudden surge in quantity demanded, resulting in rightward shift of supply curve of pound from S1 to S2 and required depreciation from R2 to R1. As we can see, this action of Central Bank has resulted in restoring the previous exchange rate, that is R1, in order to keep it fixed.